Hello everyone, welcome to DevOps Era. So in previous video we have seen how to create Azure Web App manually. So in this video we will be using the automated way of creating Azure Web App, that is Terraform. So what is Terraform? Terraform is infrastructure as a code. Okay, so it is multi platform. So here you can do the deployment in various multiple clouds, like may it be Azure, may it be AWS or Google. So anything. All right. Let me create quickly a project. So I have this project created, and I will start writing a code here. So let me start by creating the uh, provider.tf. Okay, so I will explain also what is this. So basically we need to in our code we need to provide the provider information, like I explained, right? It can be multi-cloud environment, right? So here this is the latest provider, so it keeps on updating. So here you can just copy this and paste it here. Okay, so this here what it is. So it is giving it the provider what is the version. So basically this is 3.85, and here we are giving it as a Azure RM. Okay, and the next thing, the good thing to observe here is that all the extension of these files is .tf. Okay, so all the file in the Terraform, it should have the extension of .tf. Now we will move on to the actual code. Okay, so I will leave this link in the description. Here you just have to click on this provider, and here you can get this provider information. The next thing is creating the web app code. Okay, now since uh, it already knows like which is the provider, now we can start writing the actual code. So let me create another file by name webapp.tf. Okay, and what I will do is let me show it to you from the beginning how to search this, how to get to this code. So what I will do is I will search for a Terraform registry on Google, and here in the Terraform registry, first result I will click, and then we will go to browse provider and go to Azure, since we are using this cloud. And then here, so this is where we copied this provider code, and now we will go to the documentation. Okay, and we want to search for the Azure Web App. So just search for the Azure Web App Service. So here you can see the Web App Service. So for this demo, I will just take this basic one. So here there are they have given ample of the code for a different purpose, but let's start with the basic. So Azure App Service. Okay, so here you can see this is the code. So if you remember, we needed a resource group, then we needed service plan, right? So all these things are given, then SKU, and then finally the app. So let me just go ahead and copy this code, and we will start editing it together. Okay, so first thing first, let's see. Um, what is it? So this is the resource group, and here we can give it name like RG. So this name will be for within this code for the reference, and the name on the line 2, it will be what it will be reflected in the um, Azure portal. Okay, so here I am giving it as RG DevOps Era, and let's give it East US. Okay, and the location. So the location you can check it just by giving the command az account list location table. So here you will get a list of all the locations. So for the purpose of this demo, I will be using the East US location. Okay, so I can give this East US. Okay, perfect. So that's it, guys. So this piece of code, just a 4 line of code, it will be creating the resource group. Okay, And let's move on. The next thing we have to do is the app service. Okay, so we have to give it a name, the app service name. So I will just call it my app uh, plan. Okay, and we can so this is again for the referencing within this code. Okay, and then I will give this as my app service plan. Okay, my app. So that is what I am calling my application, my app and app service plan. And here location, so it will take the location from here. So how we reference is, we reference it to Azure resource group. So here Azure resource group here. Then we give it the name for local reference. So this is our RG and then the location. Similarly for the resource group, so here again we just have to replace this with RG. Okay, so this is way of referencing it. For SKU, I will let it be standard S1, won't make much change here. And then finally the app service. Okay, so I can give it name like my app. Okay, and we'll just say my app service. Similarly here for the location we can just mention rg.location, and for resource group again rg.name. So basically understand this, we are referencing to this line number 3 here. Okay, for the location, so just mention this, then dot this name and then go here. Okay. App service plan. So this is the app service plan. So its name is my app plan. So just replace this with his. Then site config. It is, let's suppose we have .NET. So I will let it be. Uh, and this is app settings and then connection tree. So we don't have a database or any. We don't need this. So I will just remove this. Okay. So I think our code is ready. Okay, so we will be creating a resource group, we will be creating the app service plan, and then we will be creating the app service. So let me save it and then let's go to the terminal. So first thing first, I will definitely have to log into my Azure account. So let me just do AZ login. So this will log into my account. Okay, so once login is completed, sorry. Okay, here you can see your account. So if you have like multiple subscription, then you can just use AZ set subscription and then watch your subscription. But for now, I just have my own subscription. Also, you can use this command AZ account show to see in which subscription you are currently set to use. Okay. Alright, so I'm in the correct subscription. Now the first thing is we need to initialize the model, right? So first thing is we need to do the Terraform init. Okay, so what this will do is this will initialize the working directory containing Terraform config files. Okay, so let me do Terraform init. So you can see it has started initializing. So this is the first command that we run after writing a new Terraform configuration. Okay, so it will basically download all the providers that we have given. Okay, and once this Terraform initialization is completed, then we will validate our Terraform configuration. So yeah, so initializing is successful. Now the next step is Terraform validate. So these are all the very basic steps. I don't want to cover the separate video for just a theory, so I'm just giving a bit of explanation here. Okay, so Terraform validate. So this will just validate, the syntax and spacings and all. And also there is so yeah, our configuration looks good. uh, Warnings we are not worried about. Okay, so if there are some issues related to spacing, and also there is one more command. So this is not included as a basic command, but yeah, this is something you should know. So if there is any spacing is missing or spacing is not good, so this command will automatically format this. Okay, and then we have to do the Terraform plan. So I have seen like most of people are using just a Terraform plan, but I recommend using Terraform plan out main.tf plan. Okay, so this is the command we should be using. What this will do is this will create a execution plan. So here uh, okay, so there is something missing here. Insufficient feature blocks. Feature blocks are required. Okay, let's add a feature block. Okay, okay, so we just added a feature block here. All right, let's see now. Terraform plan. Okay, so what the plan does is it's create a execution plan, and it determines like what actions are necessary, and what all things we will be deploying. Okay, so it will store the plan, and it you can see here the main.tf is created, right? So it will store the plan in here. Okay, and then yeah, we just have to apply this Terraform main.tf plan. Okay. So apply is used to apply the changes to reach the desired state configuration. Okay, by default, apply the current directory of the configuration. So it will now whatever the plan it is generated in this step. So here we can see there were three resources to add, right? We know like one will be the resource group, the other will be the app service plan, and the third will be the app service itself. Okay, so and this it will update in the TF state. Okay, yeah, so let's give it a minute or two, see how quickly it is creating. Don't have to fill out like much detail. So this will basically be useful when you have like the multiple. So here we got some errors. The my web app used for the app service needs to be global unique. Okay, that makes sense. So this we need to fix it, and let me go to webapp.tf line 17. Okay, um, let's see DevOps Era app service. I hope this will be globally unique. Then again we have to do the Terraform plan, because now the things have changed. We have changed the app service name, so we need to uh, do the Terraform plan. So it will store the new plan in main.tf plan. Let's give it a second. Okay, awesome. So in previous run, it have added some of the changes. So it have created our resource group, and it have created our plan. So in this, it will be just be creating one resource. Okay. Uh, so I will just do the apply. So just remember this four commands: Terraform init, Terraform validate, Terraform plan, and Terraform apply. Okay. There is one more command that we will see in a few minutes once these resources are created, and that is Terraform Destroyer. So, as the name suggests, it will be used to destroy our infrastructure, which we will do at the end of this demo. Once the resources are created, we will just go to our portal and validate. Okay, so it shows it is still creating this resource. Okay, awesome. So it have added one resource in this run. In previous run, it have added two. Let's go to the portal. So I'm already logged in to my portal. Let's go to this resource group. Okay, and you can see here this resource group it just created using our Terraform. You can check this in the activity log as well. Okay, and yeah, so uh, let's go to, so this is the app service. So we changed the app service name. This is the app service plan. So awesome. So we have successfully created our app service and um, app service plan and resource group using Terraform. Now, I want to destroy it, right? So we don't have to destroy this all the way manually. We can do it through the Terraform as well. Okay. So this the state of this, all the configuration, it is maintained in the uh, tf state file. Okay. So let me just give a command like terraform destroy, and it will ask me if I want to destroy all these resources. So this is another main command, um, which is basic command. So today we have learned Terraform init, validate, plan, apply, and the last one is destroy. So this will destroy all this infrastructure. Okay, let's give it a minute. All right, it is showing me like what all things it will be destroyed. So first is uh, my app and app service plans and the resource group. And one thing you should remember, it is very important that even though like we have mentioned these three resources, so Terraform does not know that which resources they need to execute first, right? So for this run, we need like a resource group to be the first one to go. Then, but it will not be sequential execution. For that, there is something called a depends on clause that I will cover in my future videos. But yeah, I just thought of bringing this up. So it will ask me for the confirmation, and if once I say yes, it will go ahead with the destruction of resources. So let's see. So you can see it has already started destroying the resources. So I think it destroyed the app service. It completed it in 8 seconds, right? And then it destroyed the app plan in 5 seconds. So this will really help, when you have n number of resources, you have huge infrastructure. Uh, so it will save like lot of time in the real world. Okay, it is destroying the resource group. Alright, so resource group, the last piece was also destroyed, and it showed me destroy complete resources 3 destroyed. Let's quickly go to the portal and check. So here I am in the portal. Now let me just refresh it. Okay, great. So here you can see it have successfully destroyed the resource group and all resources, the app service and app service plan. So that was it, guys. Thank you for sticking around. And if you find my videos useful, please consider subscribing. Thank you and have a good day. Take care. Bye bye.